Greetings everyone and welcome back. This is Marco and today we're taking a look at the Nikkor-S 50mm 1.4.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make.
As we have already established in the review of the 28mm, Nikkor lenses can be quite confusing. So it took me a while to figure out what exactly this 50mm is. Apparently it was built somewhere around 1968 to 1971, and later on it received a factory conversion, meaning it was upgraded by Nikon to work with the new AI system introduced in 1977. The letter S in the name indicates the 7 elements construction, and the front and rear glass have a single amber-colored coating. The lens is made out of metal, it weighs 300 grams, it is 48 to 53 millimeters long, and it has an external diameter of 67 millimeters, with a 52 millimeters front thread. The aperture is clicked and it goes from f1.4 to f16, and the Aries has either 6 or 7 blades depending on the year it was produced. The focusing ring has dimples for better grip, it turns 170 degrees, and minimum focusing distance is not great at 60 centimeters. Flange distance for the Nikon F mount is 46.5 millimeters. The focusing ring is smooth, but dimples are shallow, so the fingers might slip. The lens itself is balanced, but not the lightest, so it can make your system a little front-heavy. Sharpness is not good wide open, losing detail even in the center. From 2.8 it gets much better, and by f8 it gets sharp all over the frame. Chromatic aberration and blooming are present wide open, and while the leather is mostly gone by f2.8, Sia can appear up to f8 in high contrast areas. Even with the amber coating, colors are just a touch warm. Wide open it loses contrast and saturation, but it starts recovering already from f2.8. Specular highlights have R edges, but not onion rings or texture. Stopping down, the geometrical shape is very noticeable, but they get less distorted towards the edges. Flares and ghosting are present, but manageable. And now, let me show you some samples. While this lens can produce beautiful painterly images, it is also quite unpredictable. I've asked a fellow gearhead to share his thoughts on the matter.
Hey, thanks for having me on the channel to talk about the old Nikkor-S 50mm f1.4. Now, if I had to boil this lens down to one word, I'd have to say unpredictable. Obviously, with a fast lens like this, we want to open it up all the way. And that's where the unpredictability really gets you. One moment it renders an image made from pure magic, rich, organic, and with dreamlike separation, or how things look after 2 or 3 beers. The next moment, it's as if you're shooting through a plastic bag, all blurry and distracting.
How'd they look after a dozen or so?
Thing is, there seems to be no rhyme or reason to this. Like, there's no recipe for desired results. You just have to keep shooting until it decides to cooperate on its own terms. And is this frustrating? Yes. Is that frustration worth it? Maybe. I guess when it comes down to it, if you're into 50-year-old manual lenses, I reckon you're up for the challenge.
Because that's all part of the fun, right? Salute.
Thank you, Tyrone, for your time, and for all of you watching, I will leave a link in the description to his review, so don't forget to check it out as well. At the end of the day, this is the kind of lens you either love or hate. Wide open, it is soft, unpredictable, but has a lot of character. Stopping down, it's very usable and sharp, but it loses character. Well, I hope this video was useful. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!